Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana Taneja, and in today's video we have a question: 2 raised to power a plus 2 raised to power b plus 2 raised to power c is equal to 148, and a, b, c are positive integers and we need to find their values, right? So how will we proceed here? Solution. So we are given 2 raised to power a plus 2 raised to power b plus 2 raised to power c is equal to 148. Okay, what will I try to do? I will divide by one of these. Suppose I divide both sides by 2 raised to power a. Okay, so what do I get here? If I divide, this will be 2 raised to power a by 2 raised to power a, 2 raised to power b by 2 raised to power a, 2 raised to power c by 2 raised to power a, and 148 by 2 raised to power a. Okay, so this is 1 plus 2 raised to power b minus a plus 2 raised to power c minus a, right, is equal to 148. And this 2 raised to power a I can write here in the product by cross multiplying, right? Okay, so now we know one thing, that 2 raised to power anything, 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 4, you do just anything, you will always get even number, right? And if you add even plus even, you always get even, right? Suppose this is 2 raised to power something, this is 2 raised to power something, I will get even. But when I will add 1 here, I will get odd. So this term will be equal to odd and this term will be equal to even, right? 2 raised to power a. So how can I write 148 now? 148, if I factorize it, 148, this is equal to what? 4 times 37, right? 4 times 37, that is 2 raised to power 2 times 37, that is even times odd. Now if you compare left hand side and right hand side, what will you get? 2 raised to power a is equal to 2 raised to power 2, and this odd thing is equal to odd thing, right? That is 37, right? So here this thing implies a is 2, right? Now, and this thing 2 raised to power b minus a plus 2 raised to power c minus a is equal to 36. We have got a here, right? And we have got that 2 raised to power b minus a, c minus a, 36. That is 2 raised to power b minus 2, since a is 2, and 2 raised to power c minus 2 is equal to 36. Now we are adding power of 2 and we are getting 36, right? So we need to break 36 in power of 2's so that we can compare. Okay, we can generalize b or a is less than b less than c. Okay, so smaller one we will take b and greater one we will take c. Okay, now look at the power of 2's. 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 2, 3, 4, and 2, 4, 8, 16, and 2 raised to power 5 is 32. If we wanna break 36, and this is the easiest solution, that we write 4 plus 32. Okay, because nothing else will give solution 36 if I add any other 2. Okay, so here we get 2 raised to power b minus 2 is equal to 4, and 2 raised to power c minus 2 is equal to 32. That means 2 raised to power b minus 2 is equal to 2 raised to power 2, and b is equal to what? 4, right? And here if you compare c minus 2, 32 is what? 2 raised to power 5. So c minus 2 is 5 and c is 7. Okay, so a 2, b 4, c 7, we have found out that, right? And what did we use? We just used this concept that power of 2 is even, and we got our equation in power of 2's. That's why we could equate it easily. Okay, so I hope you understood this. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel and visit my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in next video.